Today I am going to solve question number 4 of online series. In my previous lecture we have explained question number up to 3 of BRS chapter, and this is my lecture number 36A. Now question number 4, and question is saying the bank column of Ram's cash book showed a debit balance of 4,500 as on 31st March 2020. On comparing the cash book with the passbook with the bank statement, following information is gathered. First statement is check paid into bank rupees 7,800. Out of these, check of 6,200 were credited by the bank till date, and we have to prepare bank reconciliation statement. So let us see first format. This is the format of bank reconciliation statement, and we have to write BRS of Ram and as on 31st March 2020. It has been prepared on 31st March 2020, and this is particular plus item minus item. Student, sometimes it is asked who prepare bank reconciliation statement, then your answer will be businessman prepare, customer prepare bank reconciliation statement. It is prepared by customer or businessman. Your answer will be customer or businessman. So now let us see. Balance of cash book is showing 4,500 and nothing is given debit balance, it is given debit balance. If in question no debit balance and credit balance are given, then it will suppose that this is debit balance, and if it is mentioned it is credit balance, then no problem. So debit balance of cash book is given 4,500, and I will write in plus item. So let us write balance as per cash book. In bracket we can write DR, and in plus item it will be 4,500. Now first statement is saying check paid into bank 7,800, and out of this check of 6,200 were credited by bank till date. So student, when check paid into bank but not credited by bank, it will mention in minus item. But here question is saying out of 7,800, 6,200 were credited by the bank till date, means a 31st March 2020. So we can say that only remaining balance not credited by bank. So a statement will be check deposited but not credited by bank, and amount will be 7,800 minus 6,200, it will remain 1,600 and shifted into minus item. Now second is check of 8,300 were issued. Out of the check of 5,600 were presented for payment so far. Now student, when check issued but not present for payment, so it will be wrong and we will put in BRS. But when check issued and present for payment, so this is not a defaulter of payment, so it will not recorded. So from this statement we can get out of 8,300 5,600 were present for payment, so remaining balance will not present for payment. So we will write a statement check issued but not present for payment, and amount will be 8,300 minus 5,600, and remaining balance it will be 2,700 in plus item. We all know about it. Check issued but not present for payment. Now student, in third statement question is saying the receipt column of cash book has been overcast by 100. So we can say that if receipt column of cash book seen, then it will be our plus side, and if it overcast by 100, then our cash book balance will show over balance, it means increasing balance, but our passbook is not showing increasing balance. So at the time of preparation of bank reconciliation statement, we have to deduct from cash book rupees 100, then it will match from passbook to cash book, so it will shown in minus item 100. So we will write the receipt side of cash book overcast means increase, and it will be in minus side, minus item. Now student, fourth point is saying there is a credit of 500 as interest on investment collected by bankers and a debit of 120 toward bank charge. So we all know if bank credited interest, it will be plus side, plus item, and when bank charged for any service, then it will be minus item. So I will write in fourth statement, interest credited by bank and bank charged debited. So we will write 500 in plus item and 120 in minus item. 500 in plus item and 120 in minus item. Now fifth statement is saying a customer deposited 1000 direct into our bank account without informing us. So we all know in this case our bank passbook will show increasing balance and our cash book will show decrease balance. So we have to add in cash book. So I will write a customer directly deposited. In short, we can write it will show and plus item 1000. Now I will add both sides separate, and we can see in minus item it will be 1820 only, and in plus item 6 7 8700. Now it will show balance as per passbook. As you know, credit balance, and when we deduct 1820 from 8700, our balance will be 6880. It is very simple and you can calculate by this method and write in exam, no problem. First we have to add in plus item, then second minus item, and we have to deduct on which side more balance is showing. I will shift on those side only, and if balance as per passbook is given in front, then our answer will be balance as per passbook. When cash book is given, then answer will be passbook. Now let us see second question. And second question is starting with a credit balance start with credit balance of cash book. So let us see. Question is saying prepare a bank reconciliation statement from the following particulars as on 30th September 2019. Credit balance as per bank column of cash book 2400 is given. So it is also easy. Let us see the format first. Student, this is question number 5. Particulars plus item and minus item. We all know about format. This is short. In this question, credit balance is given, and we all know credit balance of cash book bank column is showing negative balance. So I will shift balance. First I will write, first statement is given, balance as per cash book, and it is credit given. So I will write in 2400 in minus side, and remaining all the thing will be same as we have shifted in plus side and minus side. So nothing differences, one except balance as per cash book credit. So it will shift it in minus side. Now second thing is saying check issued to the creditor but not at present for payment, and we all know check issued but not present for payment. So it will shift in plus side 1200. Now third statement is saying check deposited into bank but not yet collected or credited. It is here given. So I will write check deposited but not collected by the bank. So it will be in minus side, and amount is given 1870. You can see. And fourth point is saying bank charge 120. So I will write bank charge, and it will be minus side 120. Now student, fifth point is saying interest on overdraft charged by the bank 245. So it will be also same as bank charge, because interest on overdraft charged by bank will decrease our passbook balance. So we have also deduct in cash book, so it will shift in minus item. And now I will write fifth point, bank charged interest on overdraft. OD means overdraft. It will be 245. Now students, if it is given bank allowed interest, then it will shift in plus side, and bank have debited interest, then it will also in minus side. Or bank charge interest on overdraft, then it will be in minus side. Now next is Sixth point is a customer deposited into our bank account without informing us 1360. So we all know 6 point, a customer directly deposited in our bank account. Deposited 1360, it will shift in plus item. Now seventh and last point is given. Bank paid insurance premium as per standing instruction. So if bank paid insurance premium, then our passbook will decrease, and we have to also decrease in cash book. So a statement will be bank paid insurance premium. Now amount will be 600 in minus side. Now I have to calculate the balance, and in plus side we can see it will be 2560, and in minus side it will be 5, 4, 2, 6, 7, 13, carry 1, 1, 6, 7, 7, 3, 10, 12, 22, carry 2, or 2, 4, or 1, 5, 5235 rupees. And you can see minus item is more than plus item. So balance as per passbook will be debit, because minus item is more than plus item, and I will shift the balance in minus side. So difference will be 2675 rupees, and it will shift in minus side, because we said that, and we have explained that in my previous video also. Only those side balance will shift in that side, increasing balance is showing. So this is the answer, and you can see overdraft as per passbook debit balance. So the overdraft of balance of passbook, you can write overdraft balance as per passbook, or only balance as per passbook debit. Debit means overdraft balance. So student, I will meet you in next video with some new question and with next question. So thank you very much. You can take a screenshot of this question and answer. Thank you.